Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this deliciously tangy barbecue sauce. To a saucepan, I'll add 3 tablespoons of oil. I'll warm it under a low heat because I don't want it to get too hot. To the oil, I'll add 3 cloves of freshly crushed garlic. So I'm just going to keep the garlic moving under the lowest heat possible. I just want to release all the flavours out of the garlic without browning. After 2 or 3 minutes, I'm ready to add the rest of the ingredients. I have mixed together 16 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 16 tablespoons of water. I've now turned the heat up a little and I'll add 50 grams of soft brown sugar. And in goes 225 grams of tomato sauce. Now I'll add 3 tablespoons of smoked paprika. And I'll add a big pinch of hot chili powder. Now I leave to simmer for 15 minutes until it goes nice and thick. After 15 minutes, it's ready to come off the heat. Halfway through roasting some chicken thighs, I smothered them in some of my delicious smoky barbecue sauce and returned them to the oven to finish cooking. And there it is, tangy smoky barbecue sauce. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like and subscribe. Take good care of yourselves. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.